All right, Joe. Let's go for another session. Let's see. Let's have a look around and see if we can find something. I'm gonna pause it here, and if something comes up, I will press record and show you what I'm saying. Okay, we have this one right here, CNH, CNH, USD, CNH. So that's the first candle. Let's see what's gonna happen to the second candle. Is this thing gonna continue? Mhm. I hesitate a little bit. I'm gonna go in again. It's pushing down. Oh, last second. Last second, he pushed down 1 point. I was thinking about the third play, but because there was no movement, a momentum, I just stopped. Right, so um, we're gonna look for the new opportunity. Okay, looking back, seems like this thing's gonna crank up. Yes, nice push. Let's see if the next one is gonna be the same one, same push. Well, it's pushing to the opposite way. But if this continues to go up, then we're gonna try to catch it. You can see that we got a consolidation here. He's returning back. I thought he would crank up, but you know, he didn't crank quite. He didn't crank up. Excuse me. Okay, we got the ETH going on. It's on a downtrend. It's currently trading below the 50 SMA, coming close to the 50 SMA. So we are expecting a pullback there once he reaches there. Okay, momentum is slowing down. We're gonna go for the third shot, by the way. So this might be the first candle, even though it's 89%, we're gonna go with it because it seems like it's gonna be a good one. Mm. We're gonna see a red one, not a green one. But still might push a little bit towards the 50 SMA before it gets rejected. We'll see. Okay, red candle there. Let's see how it looks. How it's gonna look like. It's a green, but momentum is slowing down. Well, it was. So this one has to be a red in order to reject and continue to go down. So that's what we're waiting to see. Okay, not okay. Hmm. Very indecisive here. Very indecisive. Very indecisive. Might just leave it. This is very, very indecisive. Seems like it's gonna consolidate a little bit. Back to E. Right, in the meantime, let me have a look around. Okay, seems like a little coin is gonna crank up to the upside. Well, it seemed like it because we're on the uptrend. We're expecting this thing to go up. Let's have a look. It's a bit indecisive. Finally cranking up. This is the second candle, third candle. It's pushing down a bit. It's pushing down. Yeah, the reason why I didn't take this third candle is because we got 2 weeks, the top and bottom. That's why. Yeah, I thought it would crank up. If it didn't go down as expected, Kucoin seems like it's gonna continue. Yeah, seems like it's gonna continue. Because overall, we're on uptrend. Mm, I slept on it. Yeah, momentum is not that strong. Hmm. Every USD, I think I'm a bit too late for this one. This is the third candle. It's already pumping too much. Oh, it's still pumping. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I missed this huge pump. It's too late now because it's close. It's getting close to the top. Damn it. Okay, let's look at Twitter. So it broke the 50 SMA downtrend. So now it's trying to hit the 50 SMA. So we are expecting to see the price coming very close to the 50 SMA and gets rejected. So we can see the momentum is slowing down. So you're looking to place sell positions here. Let's see. Momentum is not that strong. 92%. We're good. So let's have a look at the next candle. Oh, it's pulling up too much. Yeah, it pulled up too much. So it's like, okay. Mhm. Momentum is not there yet. I feel like it's gonna attempt to touch the 50 SMA before it gets rejected. Let's have a look at the next one. It might even go sideways for a bit. Okay, we're gonna attempt to hit the 50 SMA. Yeah, very close. There you go. So now the question is gonna continue to go down or it's gonna push up? It's pushing up. We're looking to see a very bearish red candle, but it's pushing up. Okay, let's have a look at this candle. This one might be red, or maybe not. Right, seems like it's not going to do what we thought. Coming to the 50 SMA, get rejected and go down. So I'm going to look for the new one. Okay, we have buying. So first candle here, second candle is very indecisive. We're looking to buy here. So we're hoping that it's going to continue the uptrend. But this right candle is not good for us. So let's see if it pushes up. Okay, it's pushing up. We might take a trade on the next candle. Ooh, it's pushing down too much. Let's have a look. It might be a red one. Damn it. Hesitation kills me. We missed the opportunity. Okay, we got another one. AUD. So he's on a downtrend, as you can see. Came over here to the 50 SMA to test it out. But it's in this zone here. In the past was a consolidation zone. So we gotta wait and see what's gonna happen. I'm hoping it gets rejected and we place a sell position. Spending 2 months, but yeah, okay, looking good. Not looking good. It's consolidating too much here. Okay, it's pushing. Is this gonna be the push? Yeah, looks like it. Oh, that's a strong push. 10 seconds for this candle. Gonna wait for the next one. Still got legs to go down, further down. Okay, we are in. We pulled up. Okay, we do need to press the second trade as it pushed down, and we recovered, and we are up 100 bucks, up to 100 bucks. So it took me 25 minutes to get to that trade, but 15 points. So that was a good trade. Right, so I went from 62 to 101. What I'm gonna do, I said I would start with a balance of 50, 100, but I think I'm gonna start with 50, and we're gonna try to make 50. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna withdraw 50 bucks or 51.27 and leave 50 bucks. I started with 62, so if I draw 50, I only have let's say 10, 12 bucks inside the game, and then I will play the game So with 5 trades, well, yeah, 4 trades. I only have 4 trades to play the game, and per session I will need to make 167, which is roughly around 2 trades. So 2 trades, or if I win on the second trade, then if I miss the first one but I win on the second one, that's it, job done. I will hit the session target. And as we go along, it will take me 30 sessions as we go along, um, because I will make more than the session target. This session target will decrease because eventually it will be even less than $1. Okay, so I just need to place one trade. If I win that trade, job done. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to withdraw 51.27, lay $50, and I'm going to start this journey. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.